All right. Hey, Miss Stratton, how you doing?
I'm fine, Miss Prophet. How are you?
I'm so glad that you're here to talk about math with me. Thanks for doing this.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm so glad to be able to do this with you because of what we did the last time with the whole number talks when we did that. So this is going to be interesting. So
It's
I'm
it's going to
excited.
be great. All right. So we're going to take a look at this problem. Let me share my screen so you can see the same thing.
Okay.
And do you recognize this stuff, Miss Stratton?
Is that stuff that looks like confetti candy? I'm thinking of the what is that? The gumdrops
Kind of
type
looks
stuff.
like that.
Is
Yeah.
that slime? Is that
It
that's
is.
the slime
It's
stuff?
it's slime. Yeah, these are three different types of slime. Do you have a favorite one?
I would probably go with the one in the middle.
Yeah, I like those pieces in it. That's cool, right?
That's what I like.
All right, so we're going to read a story about somebody who made some slime. And as we go through, we're going to learn a little bit more and a little bit more. And we're going to have to just see what we can figure out about this math story. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I'll read it as we go. All right, so Janae and two of her friends made slime to sell. They sold some glitter slimes for an amount per container, some clear slimes for an amount per container, and I'm blocking, and some foam slimes for an amount per container. All right. So my question so far is, what are you picturing when we read this story, Miss Stratton?
I'm picturing that there are three containers, three
Okay.
different containers.
Mm-hmm. Yep. We have three different kinds. Yep. And how many do you think she might have sold? Just a guess.
Let's see. We'll go with nine.
Nine. Okay, cool. And do you have any, I don't know, do you have any guess how much slime might like she might sell it for?
Let's see. Between $1 to $2, $1 to $2.
Okay, that sounds like a really reasonable estimate.
Huh?
Hey, everybody at home, as you're doing it, when Miss Stratton's answering a question, see what you think too. You might agree or disagree. All right, so let's click on the next. We're going to go to the next slide and see what we learn more about this story. When we do a problem like this, we learn a little bit more each time.
Okay.
Okay, so now it says Jeanne and two of her friends made slime to sell. They sold 12 glitter slimes for an amount per container, some clear slimes for an amount per container, and some foam slimes for an amount per container. So, what's the new information that we have now?
So for me, I picked up shit. It was Janae and two friends.
Mm-hmm.
There were 12 glitter slimes, and then the other two, I don't remember. I don't think that I saw amount.
Yeah, exactly right. We don't know yet.
Yeah.
So, we know now that she sold 12 glitter slimes, but we don't know how the rest for the others. Do you think those others would be more popular or less popular?
Hmm. Maybe more because it has color, and I'm thinking children will like the color a lot.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's see what else we can find out.
Okay.
All right, here's the new version. Okay, so now it says Janae and two of her friends made slime to sell. They sold 12 glitter slimes for $1.95 per
Oh,
container. Hey, you were kind of right about the price.
I know. All right.
You nailed it. Okay, so tell me just about that 12 glitter slimes and $1.95 per container. What do you think about that part?
I started thinking about $1.95 times 12 in the amount that it's going to be.
Oh, yeah. Why would we do it times 12? I agree with you.
Why would I do it times 12? Because for me, that's just easier. That was the way that I was taught. That's
Yeah.
familiar for me.
That's good. Maybe easier than having to do 195
Array.
plus 195 plus 195 plus one. We don't want to have to do it all that. We should
Right.
just multiply it by 12. Good thinking. Okay, let's see what else we can find out.
Mhm.
Oh, so she still sold 12 glitter slimes for $1.95 per container, but now we know there's 8 clear slimes for an amount per container and 7 foam slimes for an amount per container. So what does that tell you?
It tells me that I was wrong in my thinking that she did not sell more because they were colored
Mm-hmm.
of the other two.
Yep. But sort of still a sort of a similar amount, right? A little
Mhm.
bit less. All right, good. Now let's see. What's the only information we're missing?
Maybe how much she sold each of the other two for.
Oh yeah, exactly. How much the person would pay for them. Let's see if we find that out. Oh, there it is. Woo, check out that Floam one.
Yes.
Must have something expensive in it, I guess. Okay, so we now have all the information I think we are going to get. We know that the clear slimes cost $2.15 and the Floam cost $3. What do you think the question could be to go with this? If this is a word problem, what could the question be?
Probably how much, I'm thinking of the differences.
Okay.
The difference in the cost, and then, and see, my mind has even gone to like the materials, because now I'm thinking of, because
Mhm.
one is costing more than the other, what is the
Yeah,
reason that it costs more? What is in there? What does it take for them? How much more materials does it take for them to make the others?
those are all great math questions and things I'm wondering about too. So this is the question that goes with this one is just different. It's not wrong. It's, neither one's right. But here's a question that we can ask about this. Use estimation to determine how much money they earned altogether. So do you think we could, that I'm not asking you to do it right now, but do you think we could figure that out? Do we have enough information to figure about how much money she made?
I think so.
I think so too. So
Yeah.
I'm going to switch over and we're going to show our friends at home how we could use estimation
Mhm,
to figure out about how much. So I just sort of I just pulled out the most important information onto this slide
mhm.
that she said she had 12 of the glitter slimes for this price, 8 of the clear slimes for this price, and 7 of the Floam slimes for this price. So I instead of having to do, Miss Stratton, you were so right when you said do 12 times $1.95.
Mhm.
But that might be kind of hard because I have to work with decimals. So why don't we round? What could we round the 195 to?
$2.
I think that's so much easier to work with, isn't it?
Mhm.
All right, so the 12 times the 2, we would have that. She made about $24 for
Mm.
that glitter slime. Do you want to do I'm putting you on the spot, but I think you can do it. Do you want to tell me how you would estimate the cost of the clear slime?
Let's see, because to estimate the 215, I might do 220.
Okay, all right. So we'll do 8 times 220. I
Mhm.
think I might, you know what?
Or
Could we make it,
we're gonna do $2 there.
let's make it even easier for us. Let's make it $2. We'll go to the whole dollar. That way I can do it in my head. All
Mhm.
right, we get 16. And then, oh, we don't even have to
No,
round
we don't
maybe
have
on
to
this one.
plan. Yeah,
Yep. 7 times $3 we know is $21. Okay, what should I do with all of those amounts then?
we should add them up.
I
The
agree.
24, 16, and the 21, we should
All
add them
right.
up and get a total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this problem's super cool because it gave us some
Mhm.
choices. So what do you think? Do we have a choice over here that looks about right?
Mhm. Choice B.
I think so. All
Mhm.
right. Jeanne is loaded now with about
Mhm.
$61 in her pocket. All right. Hey, Miss Stratton, that was really fun. Thanks for helping me with that problem.
Oh, that was fun. Thank you for asking me.
Yeah, you're welcome. And now our friends at home, they're going to have a problem sort of like that. And I know they're going to do a great job on it.
Yes, I hope they will too.
All right. See ya.
Bye.